Automated software testing also helps decrease bugs, because when you can run an automated regression every time new code is moved into some environment, whether it's dev or test or prod, and you can run your automated regression suite of 1 million tests per day, you are bound to find some bugs. If you were doing that manually, you're not going to find any bugs. Well, you will find some bugs, but it will take much more time to find those bugs because you will need many more human resources, right? A manual tester making 70,000 per year cannot compete with a automation engineer who can run 1,000 automated tests per day. And that automation engineer, may be making 150K a year. Yes, it's almost twice what the manual tester is making, but he can also do about 1,000 times more output and run 1,000 times more tests. So why wouldn't a company want to invest in someone who has that knowledge, who helps them to decrease bugs and make their applications more stable? Because at the end of the day, remember, that's exactly what I was driving at with my presentation for you guys. Here was that testing, no matter whether automated or manual or monkey or whatever, ensures application is of the highest quality. That is our job. And the only advantage that automation engineers have is that we can do it in a much faster manner because of all the reasons that I'm giving you guys now. And finally, another benefit of automated testing is that it's powerful and versatile. I mean, look at this. You can have a script that uses a Selenium server in the cloud, and that script can run against Chrome, Firefox, IE, iOS, Android, and Windows applications all at the same exact time. That test can be finished in 1 minute, and you just did cross-browser testing across 10 different platforms. That's never possible in a manual manner. You need one person to do every single one of those tests manually. But with automation, you can do all that. You can do amazing things. You can run all those tests in parallel. Here's another example of Sauce Labs, which is a cloud-based company where you just send your code up into the cloud and they can run it against all of these platforms for you guys. Different resolutions, different phones. You want to run it against iOS 6, you can. You want to run it against Galaxy Note 4, you can. I think this image, whenever it was taken, they had 447 device OS browser platform combinations. Now imagine manually trying to run one of your tests across 447 device OS browser platform combinations. That's so hard. In fact, it's impossible. That's why it would never get done in a manual manner. What's going to happen, the end result of that is going to be that the code is just not going to be tested on certain platforms because of a lack of time. But with automated testing, you don't need to worry about that. It's so powerful and versatile that you can run across all of those platforms single-handedly. The only thing restricting you is how many virtual machines you can spin up and how fast you can spin up those virtual machines. So that's the power and versatility of automated testing.